Hi, in this lesson, we're going to talk about using the scientific calculator for trigonometry. Firstly, my calculator must be in the correct mode, which is the degree mode. There should be a D appearing on your screen. Now, if that does not appear, I'm going to show you how you can get that. You press the mode button. You keep pressing it until you get DEG. Under DEG, you should have a number. Usually it's 1, and if you press 1, then you would see the D on your screen. That means it's in the degree mode. So that is what you're looking for. The other important button you need to know is this, which is called your DMS button, which is your degrees, minutes, and seconds button. We're going to use that frequently in this chapter. Now, if I wanted to enter this, 45 degrees, 23 minutes, and 11 seconds. So that's how we read it, degrees, minutes, and seconds. To enter this in my calculator, I'll go 45, press my DMS button, so that's the button over there, and press the second number, which represents the minutes, and then what represents the seconds, and the DMS button again. Your display should look something like this. So the calculator knows the first input is degrees, the second one's minutes, and the third one's seconds. Now, if I wanted to convert 46 degrees and 45 minutes to a decimals, I need to follow the following steps. 46, DMS button, 45 DMS button, equal, and press the DMS button again. If you've done this correctly, your display should show 46.75. Now, what if I want to go the other way? So I've given you 61.87 into degrees, minutes, and seconds. All I want to do is I press 61.87, the DMS button, and equal sign. If you've done this correctly, your answer should read 61 degrees, 52 minutes, and 12 seconds. Now that we've covered that, we're just going to talk about rounding. Now, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So that's the way I write my degrees, and that's the way I write my minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Yes, this is very similar to time, so it's easy to remember. Now, if I wanted to round, with my normal rounding, we used to do 5 or above. Rounding when it comes to angles, we're going to do half of 60, which is 30. So, if I wanted to round this to the nearest degree, that means my answer should only have my degrees. I look at the thing that comes after that, which is minutes. Don't worry about the seconds. If it's 30 or above, because it is above 30, which is 34, I'm going to add 1 to that. So my answer is 41 degrees. Again, in this one, nearest degree, so I look at the minutes. I do not care about the seconds. That is obviously under what I need. So my answer is 40 degrees. So this is rounding to the nearest degree. Now what if I had to round to the nearest minute? My answer should only have 2 bits, a degree bit and a minute bit. So I look at the seconds. Obviously it's not above what I need, so my answer is 40 degrees and 34 minutes. In this question, however, the seconds is 52, so I'm going to add 1, so my answer is 40 degrees and 35 minutes.